Nigel found them. Found the keys. Where are we off to?
We're off to a great start. That's where we're off to.
Yeah. So it's a big day today. We're gonna go pick up the biggest money pit we've ever picked up before in our life. And Joe, what's gonna happen? We're gonna pull it out and it's just all gonna fall apart.
Yeah. Oh, it's gonna split in half.
We'll explain more when we get a bit closer.
Now we're about to drive 15 hours with 5 people in the car. This is a good idea.
Go forward, please.
How much forward are you getting?
Where are we?
Pinaroo,
Pinaroo.
about an hour out of Patchy. We're gonna go to a car that has been sitting out the back of a house for as far as we know for 20 years.
20 years when he got there, so probably like 60 years.
We'll show you when we get there because it's pretty special.
It's a special car.
And then we're gonna get it going and drive it home.
This is the same place we got the ute from. In a previous video. Go watch that after this.
But it's a 4-hour-ish drive.
Yeah, had enough.
But nah, it is a gangster car, we think.
So much potential.
It's got lots of potential for a 20. But hopefully when we pull it out, it doesn't just fall apart.
It might.
Yeah.
Or we get bitten by a snake.
But we'll let you know.
Beef jerky.
Oh, that's not funny.
That's not fun. Come on, guys. I think I got it. I think I got it.
I was just about to say, don't run.
How did you not know that was going to happen?
We go next time. We go with ourselves.
You're only happy because you can cast.
I don't know where the fuck I am.
If you didn't have a head injury, you fucking
At least I'm
hate
not
it.
miserable like you.
You're not a miserable
I'm not miserable. I just
You guys have worn lobster shorts. Makes you feel pretty good.
Have you ever worn bathers with lobsters on them to a farm?
And I, do you remember your shoes? Magna? Truck? You're right, it's just bushes and snakes. You know what, maybe I am scared of snakes.
Not that one.
Not that one. Yeah, that one's too good for us.
Yeah.
It's not that one either. That's not the one we're taking.
Not that. It's not that one. What about?
Yeah, we're not grabbing that either.
Not that one.
Or the ute.
Or the ute. Or the one. Not. We're taking any of the cars that are worth money. We don't want
Kingswood
them.
there. Not taking that. Taking this bad boy.
This Johnny.
Taking the Cortina?
Yeah. That is what we're taking.
This is what we're grabbing. 1960s Crown. Toyota Crown.
There's no leads on it.
No leads. Definitely not starting it.
Beck's gonna like it.
Oh mate, this is gonna look good out the front of your
On
house.
this anymore?
Nah, I think it's gone.
Where do the leads go? I don't understand. Like a car will sit somewhere.
Can't wait to get that working.
Column manual. Oh, it's even got the seat in it still.
Yeah.
And it's still got seat in it.
Well, this one does. The other one doesn't.
Not too much.
It's got a rear seat and a 44-gallon drum. I brought
This place is beautiful.
I brought rust penetrant and stuff so we can try to spray bits to get it to close.
Yeah, I think rust penetrate is all we needed. That's all we need to get this moving.
on the front too.
That's good.
Where's the drum from the back?
Put it there.
In the window.
Nice.
Maybe have to cut them off.
I like this car.
Yeah,
Oh, it's a cool car. How are
It's
you
gonna
getting
be a fucking effort. This is
Yeah.
going to
Though.
be an effort.
Hey, RB20.
RB20.
20 right there.
Yeah, I can.
What are we called? Nearly.
Yeah, almost.
Just missing some leads.
Just like that.
Simples.
Simples.
10 minutes. Bing,
Ooh.
bang, bong.
We'll update you when we've realised it's too hard and we're driving home without a car.
Disappointed.
And this
but
video has gone nowhere.
Don't come out when there's noise.
So we've made room to get this out. It's gone pretty good so far.
I brought 32 GDST wheels and 2 Falcon wheels on the the assumption that it's 5 by 114.
Boy. Yeah, easy does it. Easy does it.
She's up. No, back a bit, Kev, if you can. No.
Other back. Yeah.
Well, we can put a jack.
Yeah, chuck the wheel on.
Yeah, that's definitely a bullet hole.
That's cool. Have we got enough cooler? Ned Kelly used to.
Have you got
Yeah.
two?
Ned Kelly used to drive this.
Yeah, that's, I heard rumours.
Yeah, back in the 20s. I want to say 20s.
Well, our audience are uneducated, they're not going to know anyway.
Yeah.
There's no bearing. Is the bearing down there?
No,
Like, well, I don't know how this is going to work.
it's not. Well, the back wheels don't turn, so how are we going to do that?
Is there a bearing down there?
Go drag the fucker
Yeah, the
out.
bearing's still on it.
No, the front one.
Nah.
Not the dirt or anything.
Nah, man.
Well, 'cause you won't be able to pick another one.
Yeah.
What's it going to hold to?
Well, what nut?
I thought you said there's a nut.
No, never said that.
Oh, I thought you said, oh, it's loose. It's just a nut there.
No, never said that. Oh, we go.
But this is not going to work, is it?
Put a hole through it and then put like a piece of wire wrapped around it.
That wire that we used with the barrel,
Already got
because
a
that
hole,
was
doesn't-
indestructible.
Doesn't it have a hole to
Yeah,
it?
it does. Look left to right. See? Bush mechanics.
And then we just stick to like 50 kilometers an hour. Hey, would it sit on 3 wheels?
No.
No?
No, of course it won't.
It's just a question.
Don't be so
Fucking idiot.
Or we can
Jesus,
put a
you're
jack
snitching.
underneath it and then roll
Who's
it on.
Jack?
What is Jack?
Got the gun?
Snappy
Yeah,
McSnappers.
shoot me in the head. Snappy McSnappers. How many studs have we broken down? Just one, man. Okay.
Yeah, no, not just today though.
Check those pins out. Where'd you buy them?
Can you still take them back?
In the kids section. I think so.
I love men.com.
I mean, I've had crabs before, but never lobsters.
You're missing out.
You're being ridiculous.
This is
At
the
least the front's rumbling.
first time it's moved.
What's it caught on?
That's a good looking car.
That is cool.
Oh, that's
It is
gangster.
a good looking car.
Imagine
I
that
love
just
that
sitting there.
grill.
It's like, what the?
Yeah.
I like it.
Yeah. Glad.
I am glad that we got it.
Glad this is happening.
Thanks for that, Kev.
Not a problem.
Thanks, Kev.
Make sure you have a good Christmas.
Yeah, you
Yeah,
too.
you too. Happy New Year.
You too. Have a
Merry
good one, alright?
Christmas, Merry Christmas, Happy New Year. And
Thank you.
Remember, no more than a slab a day.
Yeah.
Yeah. No more?
Actually, when you
Or no less.
when you come down,
How'd that go?
he walked away.
Yeah.
I was gonna. Well, I asked.
Stand back. This is fucked. So we're giving up on taking it off?
Yeah.
Are we
No,
ending
just
the
wait, yeah, because...
Are we ending the video?
No, wait,
When
yeah,
this tips up.
unhook it, because it might, like, spring up and smash
Alright.
into the car and
Thank-
get good footage.
Thanks for watching anyway.
Thanks for watching our video. Get ready for a 9-second crown with a barra in it.
This is never happening.
It will. Seeing the motor turns over, I want to see if you can get a distributor for it.
Yeah, it's not seized, the engine.
Yeah.
So.
I don't know what's seized on it out of the multiple things that could be. But
Well, yeah, it is
the wheels
stuck on the
don't
trailer.
change.